From the heart of a designer. When I design a product, I don't just walk to the drawing board or computer and start drawing, but I walk with that design in my head for days and sometimes weeks, sketching the plant in my mind, looking at every angle, visualizing the plant working, seeing the material flow, looking to improve it, and then I start drawing the first part. In some cases, plants consist of up to 29,000 parts. Each of them has to spend some time in my head where I calculate strength requirements, aesthetics, the influence of the part's weight, and many more factors. Once all those parts are drawn, I then do an assembly drawing where all these parts come together to form the plant drawing you see. Each part is then broken up into its engineering components, some for the laser cutter and some for the machine shop to prefabricate the components to micron precision. Once the prefabricated components arrive, I inspect each one individually to ensure it meets my standard and is to the specifications I designed. When assembly starts, I am present, ensuring each weld is done in a way that provides the strength we need and in a way that complements my design vision for the final product. Every second I look at the product forming, I think about how I can improve it, whether there is a section that can be done better next time, and most of all, will the customer be happy? Once the plant is shipped, I brief my team that will be installing the plant on every component, water requirements, feed rate, mass balance, concrete structures, electrical wiring, and more. When the plant is installed and commissioned, I cannot wait for the results from my team, but most of all the feedback from the customer. Then only do I consider the design complete. For the people using my designs without my permission, please consider what it took to design the product and the mental and physical effort it took to bring it from the designing phase to the market-leading product it is today. I will then beg you to understand that I will do everything within my legal right to prevent you from benefiting from my designs, especially if I see your poor workmanship. Before you carry on, I suggest that you go and study the South African Copyright Act, especially the author's rights afforded to the designer and the legal consequences you may suffer for plagiarizing a design.